Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. In this video, we will walk you through the Power BI updates for the month of September 2024. We are on the official blog post of Microsoft and they have released September month update on 24th September 2024. We will walk you through the main updates for this month in this video. Let us discuss the contents first. The dark mode is now available in Power BI desktop, and from there you can choose different themes based on your choice. In Copilot and AI, now by default full report summaries and answers in the Copilot pane. In reporting section, they have updated menu bar in service view mode. They have some updates in visual calculation. Power BI in Teams now supporting multi-factor authentication. Now we will be able to create multiple apps inside a workspace. Earlier it was restricted to single app in a workspace. Now we can subscribe reports on the last day of the month. Also, they have some updates on modeling section, data connectivity section, and some other updates as well. Let me discuss the key updates one by one. So let's come to the dark mode first. If we want to enable the dark mode, so we need to enable this setting from Power BI desktop. Also, once you updated your Power BI desktop, once you open it, first time it will ask you to choose the theme as per your choice. And you can change the theme from this option as well. So let me walk you through this option from Power BI desktop. I opened a report in Power BI desktop and now this is the default theme that we have. If you want to enable the dark mode, you need to click on File, then you need to click on Options and Settings, Options. Under Global, we need to click on Report Setting, and in Report Setting, Personalization section, we have Theme options. From here, we can click on this drop down, and from there, we can select the theme which we want. Let me choose dark mode and click on OK. Once you click on OK, the theme will immediately applied in your Power BI desktop. We need not to restart the software again. Let me move to the blog post again. In Copilot and AI section, now user will get the full report summaries and answer in the Copilot pane by default. On the reporting section, they have updated menu bar in service view mode. So this is the view of the earlier menu, and now the look and feel of the menu is like this. So it's more clear, and get inside is moved on to the triple dot menu. This month Power BI has updated visual calculations as well. We have a separate video for visual calculation. If you are interested, you can check this out. Visual calculations are now on by default. You need not to enable any options for the same, but you can turn this off if you wish. Also, they have updated some formatting options in visual calculation for the month of September 2024. Let me show you the demo on the Power BI desktop. I'm on the Power BI desktop now, and you can see in this visual we have some visual calculations like running total, moving average versus previous, etc. You can see we have applied some formatting in running total. We have added currency symbol. So if we want to apply formatting on moving average, now it's bit easier. Like other visual formatting options, we can apply formatting in visual calculations as well. So we are the formatting section of this visual. On format, we click on properties, and here we have data format. From here we need to choose the fields where we need to apply the formatting. I select moving average, and from here, if we wanted to change it to whole number, decimal number, or the standard formatting options are available. Let me select whole number here. If you wanted to enable thousand separator, you can enable it. And if you wanted to apply currency formatting from format, you need to select currency, and here you can select the currency format. So I select the currency of India, and let me set the decimal percent to 1. So now we can easily format our visual calculations. Let me move to the blog post again. Power BI in Teams now supporting MFA. If you share any reports via team, the user need to be authenticate the same via MFA. Then they able to access the report if they have the right access. This is a very important update for this month. So now we can create multiple organization apps per workspace, and we can set up custom colors as well. Earlier in a workspace, we can create single app only. So these features will be very useful, and you can create organization app from the new button. Here you will get ORG app, but you need to enable this option from admin setting. Let me show you how you can enable this. To enable the ORG app, we need to click on setting, admin portal, then tenant setting. From here, we need to enable this option. User can discover and create ORG app preview. If this option is enabled by your admin, then only you will be able to create ORG app inside the workspace. We have another important update in this month, that is subscribe to reports on the last day of the month. Let me show you how we can configure this. So now I am in a workspace. Let me open this report. I have opened my report. From here, we can click on this triple dot, and then let me click on subscribe to report. In subscription window, we need to click on create a subscription. Here I am clicking on standard. You can put a subscription name. You can add the recipient. Then if you wanted to attach your report, you can select the format PDF or PPT, select the email or OneDrive or SharePoint, wherever you wanted to subscribe this. You need to set up the start date from here. And in repeat section, we need to select monthly. And in monthly, we have this option last day of the month. So the last day will be automatically picked up by Power BI as per calendar setting. You need not to worry. On the last day of the month, your report will be delivered on the scheduled time. Let me move to the blog post again. So you can see this month they have some other updates as well. Don't forget to go through with the Microsoft Power BI blog post for detailed updates. Let us know if you have any questions on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.